Next, let's check out the calendar. The calendar is a great way to keep yourself organized. You can click on a day, like for example, the 18th, add an entry, and remind yourself maybe that it's the first day of class, in case you didn't know. Now, I will also be posting different things on the calendar. For example, when homework is due and quizzes, and also when our midterm and our final is. Another thing that you'll be using WebCT a lot for is communicating with me and your fellow classmates. So in the communication section, you can email one of your students by composing a message. You can browse and see a list of other students that you might want to send an email to, and most importantly, you can send an email to me. One of the great things about WebCT is you can include math in your emails. You come down here and click on Equation Editor. In order to use the Equation Editor, you will need Java installed. In order to download Java, you will need to go to www.java.com, and you can download Java for free. So you can include math in your emails and discussion topics. For example, if you want to write a fraction, you click up here on the fraction button, click on the numerator to plug in a 2, and click on the denominator to plug a 3, and press Insert, and it will insert the 2/3 into the email that you send to me or your fellow classmates. Now that looks a little funny. It doesn't really look like 2/3. It says it's just an equation. If you want to see what your message would look like, click on Preview, and you can see it says solve and the 2/3. After you've finished your message, make sure you click send, or you can save a draft if you want to finish later. You can also add attachments to messages also. So let's cancel that one. Yes, I'm sure. And check out some of the other things listed under communication. Notice I'm using the breadcrumb to get back to communication. Another requirement for this online Math 52 class is to be involved in discussion forums. This will be part of your participation points. Notice this first topic is called video questions. While you are watching the videos, there will be questions that you can discuss with your fellow classmates on this discussion topic called video questions. To respond to the question on 6.1, you need to click on this green arrow, open up the 6.1 thread. Notice it says respond to questions from the video in 6.1, and you can add to this thread by pressing the reply button and adding your message here. Notice you can also include equations in your discussion messages using the equation editor. You can also add attachments. Going back to discussions using the breadcrumbs, there's also a special topic for homework discussion. Under the homework discussion topic, you can discuss with your fellow classmates any questions you might have from the homework, or maybe just help each other out. Online study buddies. There are a couple other topics. For the main topic is just for general Math 52 discussion, and also there's a topic for notes. This third link in the communication tools, chat, is an online chat room. Basically, if you and any other students are online at the same time, you can go into a chat room and discuss Math 52 real time. You and the other student need to both be logged in to the chat room at the same time, and you will write your messages in the message box, and make sure that you press enter after you've typed in your message. Notice that one of the chat rooms is called Online Office Hours. On Wednesdays from 2 to 3, I will be in this chat room for my online office hours. You can send me a message and I can help you real time with online tutoring. The fourth link, Whiteboard, is very similar to the chat room, except that Whiteboard, you can make shapes and draw freehand, write math. So for example, if you wanted to write x squared plus 3, you can do that on the whiteboard. Again, you and your fellow classmates both need to be logged in, and when I'm having my online office hours, you can meet me in the whiteboard and we can discuss math online. A couple things you might want to notice about the whiteboard: this X key will erase the whiteboard, and this key, T key, will allow you to type if you want to mix words and math. So some additional resources: there is a glossary. You can also search in the website. You can compile all of the video lectures, and also check your progress. Last but definitely not least, if you want to know your grade in progress, you can click on My Grades. It will have a list of your homework scores, quiz scores, discussion scores, and a grade at that point.